I was asking for a chance, and I see you getting all right. I can't understand. Hey.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. For those of you that don't know, my name is Antonio Matwire and I own a 2017 BMW 340i. So a couple of buddies hit me up and they are meeting up later on tonight to do some roll racing. So I kind of want to just go out there and see what we can get into. Hopefully we can get some good rolls against some American muscle. So let's go ahead and head out to the spot. Alright, y'all, couldn't stop here and not get some pictures, but we got any Raiders fans in the building? So yeah, on the way to the spot, I was passing by the stadium and I was like, you know what, I need some more content for Instagram, so why not? Alright, we snagged some pictures. Now let's head to the spot. So right now we're actually like a couple minutes from the spot, and already in front of me I have a Camaro SS. It's chopping. I got a scat pack, so it looks like they're going to the same spot, but check it out. There goes the SS, and then right over there is the scat pack. You hear that? The gap cam, man. I'm gonna have this hanging up right there. Following on my IG. So yeah, a lot of American muscle. There's actually a G82 over there, so it's an S58, and there's a full bolt-on M3 right there. Damn, you know this man already. Look at that. He got the GoPro facing backwards. This man already know he's ready to gap somebody. Okay, god damn. It's one of y'all's? Oh, okay, I'm about to say, damn, y'all look a little young to be on this shit. I'm gonna run him. Yeah, he got the gap cam too, shit. More American muscle, more American muscle. Y'all already know we're gonna be gapping these all night. I like the color on this Beamer though. That sand, this is the color that I want on my Beamer originally before I got it wrapped, but it's a dope color.
If you're racing, stay in the two left lanes. If you're not racing, stay in the right lane. Nothing below a 40-mile-an-hour roll, please. But that's basically it. Watch out for each other. Be careful.
All right, so it looks like we're heading out. So let me go ahead and get my 360 camera on the back. Let's see who we can get. Damn, did y'all see that highway patrol car just go? That's crazy. We're trying to put an end to this night. I guess there's a Camaro pulling up. Wanna run it? Go, Camaro SS. Took that boy to the First Baptist Church. Let's go. Damn, I almost got pulled over just now. Woo, that was a close one, buddy. That man was on my ass with his lights on. Not like his red and blues, but like his bright. That man was flashing everything he had at me. Alright, y'all, so as much as I wanted to get more runs in on the way back, there was cops everywhere. As far as tonight, now we done with tonight.
I don't miss, I don't play none.
So I just had a super dope idea. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull the trigger on this new drive shaft, but in order to do that, I need the number on my current drive shaft so they can make sure that the new one I order is compatible or whatever the case is. In order to do that, I have to drop my exhaust, right? But what's the point of dropping my exhaust, putting the exhaust back on just to drop it again when I get my new drive shaft? So what I'm going to do is make my own exhaust dump, and so that way while I'm waiting to get my new drive shaft, I just have an exhaust dump on the car. I thought it'd be cool to do and cool to see how it sounds, because I already know it's going to be super obnoxious and very, very loud. You can buy an actual exhaust dump from, I think, Vader Solutions. They have one on sale for like 180 bucks. But essentially I can just buy some exhaust piping and make my own for like a fraction of the cost. So let's go get the stuff.
I own this, I don't say none. I go swish, that's an A1.
All right. Oh, look at that. They already sell them? I was thinking I was gonna have to get one and cut my own. I hope that's big enough. That's what she said.
Drop a lot and she packed the bag. She shot till we drop. I just wake up. I don't say nothing. I'm on go. I don't stay long. I got summer toys for the summer boy. I keep drummer boys in the summer boy. I keep making noise.
All right, so I got the car up now. Just gotta work on removing this exhaust. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the hangers off, unscrew all the brackets and everything, and go ahead and drop it like it's hot. Well, that's one way to do it. There it is, the OEM exhaust. You don't really realize how long it is until you get it from underneath the car. Let's go ahead and take a look. Absolutely nada. All right, so this is where we're at. I went ahead and grabbed the barcode right there. That's what I needed in the first place. So now that I went ahead and got what I needed, let's go ahead and see if we can fit that bad boy on here. All right, so I actually ran out of sunlight yesterday, so I wasn't able to put on this bad boy right here. And plus it was nighttime, and I know it's gonna be really loud, and I have neighbors. As you guys saw earlier in the video, this is a 3-inch pipe, and so is the other end of the down pipe. So with that being said, they're the exact same size. So I had to go back to the store and get one of these. It's pretty much just an exhaust clamp where I can just connect both of them without having to weld it. Because once again, I'm not worried about this being like a long-term thing. It's literally just for a few days. So let's go ahead and get this thing on. All right. Please. There it is. This is gonna be insane. All right, so it's all installed. As you guys saw, I just have a little wobble to it. I know the Vader Solutions one does come with a bracket that you can kind of bolt in place, so that way it doesn't move as much. But like I said, I can't justify spending $180 on something that I literally just made for less than 40 bucks. But let's go ahead and open this garage and start it up. I already know this is gonna be ridiculously loud. God, that cold start is atrocious. I know for a fact that the camera does not do this thing any justice. That was loud, like very loud. Give this thing a few revs. Oh my God. That is insane. So yeah, moral of the story, guys, don't get a dump exhaust. I'm definitely glad this is just a temporary thing, because honestly, I don't think I would be able to drive around everywhere with that. But once again, that was a cold start. Later on today, if not tomorrow, I do plan on getting the heat shields back in and then actually going for a test drive to see what it sounds like. All right, this thing sounds terrible. Literally vibrates everything in the cabin. Like, the drone is terrible. So bad. Literally everyone I drive, literally everyone I drive by is staring at me like, is his car all right? I mean, really, I just want to do a pull once my car warms up to see how it sounds. But already I can tell that this is not for a daily driver setup, for sure. Alright, so my camera actually died, so I'm recording this portion on my phone. But the drone is absolutely ridiculous. Like, if there was someone in my car right next to me and they were trying to say something, I'd be like, huh? Huh? you guys already know at highway speeds, if your car does have drone, it's probably gonna be the worst on the highway. And on the highway, it definitely is bad. I'll do a little pull for you guys in Sport Plus. Definitely a change in power, like night and day difference. I mean, obviously, not only are we lighter, but we're less restrictive, so. Now that my car is warm, I wouldn't be surprised if I'm like shooting flames at this point. Listen to these downshifts. Yeah. I gotta be shooting some type of flame. Absolutely insane. I'll be sure to get some flybys for you before I end this video. Alright guys, so as you heard in those flybys, the car sounds really good. I know earlier in the video I said it sounds terrible, but that was just me exaggerating. It just is very loud. So do I recommend this for like a daily driver setup? Absolutely not. But if it's like a weekend driver, you like taking your car to the track and whatnot, I definitely recommend it. It sounds really good. You can hear the turbo spool and it has that whistle as you're slowing down, which I know a lot of you guys like. Would I pay $185 for it? No. But as I just showed you guys from this video, you can make essentially the same exact dump exhaust for $40. But if you like this video or helped you out in any way, please click that like button. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing. It helps me out tremendously. And as always, Matwire fam, remember your goals and don't stop until you reach them. Peace.
Excited just to see me, wish I felt the same way. Later on she'll probably get a name change. People changing on me like they gained weight. I wish that I waited on the same